5 contracts. That's it. 5 office cleaning contracts, and your job becomes optional. Not maybe one day, not if everything goes right. I mean, if you do the math on 5 contracts at $5,000 per month each, then your current salary most likely can't compete. But here's something I want you to wrap your mind around. The offices that are gonna pay you that type of money, they're already paying for it right now to someone else. And most of those someone else's, well, they are doing a very terrible job. My name is Mike Mack. I've built and sold 2 commercial cleaning businesses. I'm now on my 3rd commercial cleaning business in my 3rd state, and it's already hit the 6-figure mark within 2 months of starting the 3rd one. Now, I'm not telling you that to impress you. I'm telling you that because I want you to understand that this isn't luck. This isn't a one-time thing. This is a model that works when you work it the right way. I'm also a husband, a dad. I have 2 small kids, and my wife and I built this business so we could homeschool if we wanted to, so we could be there in the moments that matter. So we'd never have to ask permission to go to our kids' Little League game or to take our daughter to a dentist appointment. That's what this business gives us. It's not just the money, it's the options. And that's what I want to talk to you about here today. Now, you probably already know what a cleaning business is, right? I mean, you've seen ads, you've watched other videos, you know about the low startup cost, you could be your own boss, blah, blah, blah. You also know that the barrier of entry is incredibly low. And it's because of that, a lot of people get in, which sounds like a problem, sounds like competition, right? But here's what a decade plus in this industry has taught me. Most of those folks are not competition at all. The overwhelming majority of people who start a cleaning business never treat it like a real business. They treat it like a side hustle. They post on social media into the abyss. They do cold calling. They hire people overseas to do their cold calling for them. Essentially, they bang pots and pans trying to get noticed. And because of that, they never land clients that actually move the needle. So they stay small. They stay stuck. They clean houses for $150 a pop and wonder why they're exhausted. That's not the game I'm playing. And that's not the game I'm going to teach you here. Now, here's one of the biggest breakthroughs I've ever had in this business. You don't need 100 clients to be very successful. You just need 5 of the right ones. Think about that for a second. A local dentist office, car dealership, a mid-sized church, a medical suite, a movie theater. These are not clients who clean their own space. They already have a cleaning provider. And guess what? They have always had a cleaning provider. But here's the thing, they're not usually happy with them. Why? It's because the vendor they have sends the wrong people, they have no quality control in place, and when that quality starts to dip, no one answers the phone when they're frustrated. So because of all of that, these potential clients are not looking for cheap. They're looking for reliable. They're looking for someone who acts like a professional, someone who makes their problem disappear. And when you become that person, they don't leave. That's the part a lot of people miss. A house cleaning client might cancel on you because they're going on vacation or money got tight. An office contract, on the other hand, well, that's a monthly recurring payment, month after month, because that office still needs to be cleaned, whether the economy is up or whether the economy is a little bit down, whether it's summer, whether it's winter, whether the client is happy, whether they're stressed. Guess what? That building doesn't care. It still gets dirty. So here's something I want you to sit with today, because most people in this space never think about it like this. When you land a $5,000 per month contract, you're not getting $5,000. You're getting $60,000 a year from one client. And if that client stays with you for 3 years, which is very common when you take care of people, that's $180,000 from one single relationship. Now think about the compound effect of having 5 contracts just like it. This isn't a side hustle. This becomes a real business. And here's another thing I want you to consider. The labor cost to pay cleaners, it's not coming from your money. See, when you land your first $5K per month contract and everyone after, you're not the one who's mopping the floors. Your job in this process is to hire that out. You simply pay that cleaner maybe anywhere between $2,200 to $2,500 per month to service that contract, and then you keep the rest. You manage, you make sure you communicate, and you make sure the job gets done right. That can be done in an hour a day when your systems are dialed in. See, when you do things this way, this isn't a job you're creating for yourself. This is a business that you're building, one that will run without you for the most part, without you having to be physically there. And now that distinction matters more than anything else I'm gonna say to you today. Okay, so if you're a beginner, you're probably wondering, how do I actually land these contracts? Not by doing what everyone else is doing. I don't cold call, I don't run Facebook ads, I don't post reels hoping a dental office manager stumbles across my page. What I do is I position myself in my company so that when the right client has a problem, I'm already the obvious answer. Think about this from the client standpoint. Let's say you're a facilities manager at a medical office and you have a cleaning provider that keeps dropping the ball. And because of that, you're frustrated. You need to make a change, but you don't want to look wrong. You don't want to make the wrong move, because if you bring on a vendor that's worse than the last, well, then you could be on the hot seat. So when the higher ups want you to bring in the next cleaning provider, you're not going to pick the cheapest option that you find on Google. No, what you're going to do is you're going to pick the one that feels safe, the one that looks professional, the one that communicates clearly and makes you feel like you're in good hands. That right there is the gap. And that gap is wide open because most cleaning companies look and act exactly the same. So when you show up differently, when you show up with a clean proposal, your communication is sharp, your process is clear, you don't feel like just another cleaning company. You feel like a solution. And businesses pay a lot of money to find the solution to their problem. So now let me put some simple numbers on the table that you can wrap your mind around. 5 contracts, $5,000 each, $25,000 per month coming in. Let's say your labor and supplies are in a ballpark of $13,000 across all accounts. Your conservative number in profit is going to be about $12,000 per month. Profit, that's $140,000 a year from just 5 accounts. Think about it. You're not managing 100 accounts. You're not running a call center. You're not posting content every day. Instead, you're managing 5 people. You're keeping 5 people happy, making sure 5 offices stay clean. That is the business. And here's what makes it even more powerful. Once you have 5, landing 6, 7, and 8, it gets all even easier because you have more references. You have more proof that you're good at what you do. And what makes this business fun is that it compounds quietly, without noise, without you having to put yourself out there constantly, and without you trying to post on social media and do all the other stuff that makes most people uncomfortable. Look, if you're still watching the video to this point, I know you. You're not looking to blow up your life here. You're not trying to make some reckless bet. You've got responsibilities, a family maybe, a mortgage maybe, a reputation you care about. You want to know before you move that this is real, that it works, that someone who's actually done it is telling you the truth. So here's the truth. This model works because the need is permanent. Offices don't stop needing to be cleaned. The clients already have the budget for it. And the bar for being the best option in the room is genuinely low, because most of the so-called competition isn't running a real business. And because of that, you don't need to be perfect. You just have to be professional. You have to be consistent, and you have to answer the phone when people call you. And I'll tell you right now, that's a higher standard than most people in this space are willing to hold, which means the market is wide open for someone who actually is. 5 contracts. That's the number that makes your job optional. Not 100, not 50, 5. And the clients who would pay you that money, they're right now. They exist. They're frustrated. And they're looking for someone they can trust. The only question is whether that someone is going to be you. If you want to see exactly how to find these clients, how to price these clients, how I set everything up operationally, and do it in a way where it doesn't blow your life up, watch this video right here. It's going to give you the answer you're looking for. I'll see you over there.